Meaning of implicate.
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 Implicate. The term implicate means to suggest or indicate that someone or something is involved in a particular event or situation. It can also imply that there are consequences or outcomes of that involvement. For instance, a statement might implicate a suspect in a crime, or actions might implicate a person in an unethical practice. The result of being implicated can range from suspicion to legal charges or loss of credibility. In short, when someone or something is implicated, it means that they are connected to an event or situation, and that connection comes with a set of potential consequences.